Located in the western part of Bohemia, the Plzeň region spans approximately 7,600 square kilometers, making it the third largest region in Czechia. However, it has a population of just over 600,000, ranking it among the least populous regions in the country. Diverse in terrain and bordered by the Bohemian forest to the southwest, the region features the Plzeň Valley and several highlands. This geographical variety fosters a mix of agricultural and forested land, enhancing its natural beauty. Historically significant, the capital Plzeň was founded at the end of the 13th century and has since developed into a vital industrial, transport and economic hub. It is renowned for its roles in mechanical engineering. Notably, it is also the birthplace of the legendary pilsner beer, which has been brewed here since 1842. With a population of about 180,000, Plzeň is home to the University of Western Bohemia with an impressive modern campus and the medical faculty of Charles University in Prague, bolstering its status as an educational center. The region attracts tourists with its rich cultural and architectural heritage, featuring historical castles, chateaus and protected landscape areas. It is a place where the past mingles with the modern, an industry with beautiful nature and landscape.